And the tendon that connects the liver to the diaphragm is this, the fulcrum ligament. Here's the cat. Here we have the liver. There are 7 lobes of the liver. This is the left lateral lobe of the liver. This is the left medial lobe of the liver. Here in the middle of it we have the quadrate lobe of the liver, and inside we have the caudate lobe of the liver. If you go to the right side of the liver, we have the right medial side of the liver, and then we have the right lateral side lobes of the liver, but there are 2 lobes. Inside we have the gallbladder, and now we have the stomach. Here, underneath the liver, we have the lower esophageal sphincter. Above that we have the cardiac region, and below that we have the fundus. This stomach in general has the greater curvature, and here is the lesser curvature. This is the body of the stomach. Inside, we have the rugae, which is only seen when the stomach is empty. Here we have the pylorus, leading into the pylorus sphincter, which connects the stomach and the small intestines. Here we have the small intestines, which is the duodenum, which connects the small intestines, is the part where the small intestines and the stomach are close. Here we have the jejunum, which is just mostly the whole small intestines. If you find the cecum, you can locate the ileum very easily. This right here is the ileum of the small intestines. And then the mesentery of the small intestines is this fatty web-like structure right there. We have the small intestines and the large intestines. To tell the difference, you can find the cecum, which is right here, and leading into the large intestines we have the ascending colon, the transverse colon, and the descending colon. This kind of curvature in the colon, in the large intestines, is this sigmoid colon, and underneath the reproductive system, and under there we have the rectum. Here, if you move the large intestines, you have the kidney and the ureter. Next to the kidney, we have the spleen and the pancreas right here. The kidney. The kidney. If you open up the kidney, you will see arteries and veins right there. The red artery is the renal artery. The blue vein is the renal vein. If you look close, you can see the different colors of the kidney. The darker one is the renal medulla, which is inside the renal cortex of the kidney. The renal cortex is the lighter outer coat of the kidney. Here we have the reproductive organs of the cat. Here, this long tube is the uterine horns, and then at the top of that we have the fallopian tubes, which lead here, and if you flip that over, that would be the ovaries. If you follow the uterine horns, here you will find the uterus. The uterus which is almost here, if not a little bit under. And then if you go deeper, you will have the vagina, right next to the rectum.